This is my software. First, we have the account management section. It allows you to add and manage multiple Instagram accounts. You can log in like this. You can also assign a separate proxy for each account, so that every account has its own IP address. To start bulk posting Reels, the first step is to create your content and video Reels. Go to Content Management. Select Add Article. Choose the type of content form and enter the content you want to display here. Next, select the video file you want to post, then save it. Next, go to the Posting Function section and choose Post Reels. Select the list of accounts you want to automatically post video Reels with. Select the content you just created. You can also configure how many videos each account will post. You can tag friends by entering their username or profile link. There is also an option to automatically interact with the post, such as liking or commenting after it's posted. Once everything is set, press Start. The software will run automatically through the API without needing to open a browser. You can monitor the status on your screen to see how it works. After everything is complete, you can open your accounts to check if the Reels have been posted. If you need more information or support, please contact me via Telegram at Touchunct or WhatsApp. Details are pinned in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.